Welcome to Health Solutions. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm sharing a highly requested Moringa weight loss tea, which will not only help you to get a flat stomach but also helps to naturally balance your hormones. This Moringa tea is a must in your diet if you have health issues like thyroid, PCOS or diabetes. Moringa is an excellent source of protein, vitamin A, potassium, calcium and vitamin C. Moringa is one of my favorite ingredients and I always try to include it in my recipes. I have already shared Moringa juice recipe and I have mentioned all the benefits of Moringa in that video. Please do check my video on Moringa for more information. Links will be down below in the description box. Moringa detoxify the body of harmful substance and boost liver function. Moringa helps to balance sugar levels, helps to fight diabetes, protect and nourish the skin, balances hormone and helps stabilize mood and protect brain health. This Moringa tea prevents excess sugar from converting into fat, reduces bloating, aids in digestion, suppresses appetite and gives you a sudden energy boost, and thus it helps to keep your hunger pangs away. This Moringa tea targets belly fat by allowing you to feel fuller and lowers blood sugar by slowing down the release of sugar into your bloodstream. To make this tea, I'm using fresh Moringa leaves. You can also use shade-dried Moringa leaves or even Moringa powder. Now into a pan, I have added water. Then add in cinnamon stick which I had broken into small pieces. Cinnamon boosts metabolism, lowers blood sugar levels and also has anti-inflammatory properties. And now add in about 1/4 inch of fresh ginger. Simply grate it and then add it into the water. Ginger has many healing properties. It is anti-inflammatory and can help balance your hormones. Because of its thermogenic effect, ginger helps activate the metabolism which can help in fat loss. Now once the water starts to boil, simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes and then switch off the flame. Allow it to cool down a little, that is the heat of the water should come down around 70 degrees Celsius. It should take about 2 minutes. Once the water has cooled down to 70 degrees Celsius, add in green tea leaves. Here I am using organic Darjeeling green tea leaves. The EGCG in green tea boosts metabolism and increase fat burning. Green tea also helps to balance blood sugar levels. And then immediately add in 3 sprigs of fresh Moringa leaves along with the stem and then give it a stir. If you are using Moringa powder, use about 3/4 to 1 teaspoon, and if you are using dried Moringa leaves, use about 1.5 teaspoon. Now allow this to steep for about 5 minutes and then pour the Moringa tea into a cup through a strainer. Have this tea warm 2 to 3 times a day, preferably after meals. Since I have fresh Moringa leaves all through the year round, I don't need to dry the leaves and store, but just to show you how it looks, I had shade dried some Moringa leaves and this is how it looks like. Now this Moringa tea will stimulate your metabolism, helps to burn body fat and also helps to balance your hormones. Do try to include Moringa tea in your daily diet and enjoy its benefits. If you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button so that you can stay updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.